I'm Arun Vislekar. I was director in Department of Atomic Energy. I retired in October 2005 superannuation. And regarding with my spiritual journey, for the first time I came in contact with Master Shah in sometime in December 2010 when he had held workshop, evening workshop at Bandra. And that time I was so much touched by his humility, simplicity, and I could experience his divine nature and divine presence in the auditorium. Then I had been longing to uh, get his blessings from Master Shah, and that opportunity came in March, April 2011, and that was the time in 4-day workshop. I received divine healing hands from him, and I had been practicing that one uh, from that time onwards, and it had been giving extremely good results. I had gone through most of the books published, written by Master Shah, and the language is so lucid, simple that everyone can follow it very easily, and there are no complication things explained. And as Master Shah says, most complicated things are rather very simple, and those could be put in words in very simple form. So that was the this one. And subsequently, then of course I had been practicing this divine healing, and later on I came in contact with Master Allen. That was in 2013, that is last year, and he had given number of divine blessings to me and my wife Anuradha, and that completely transformed our lives. And lot of health issues, relationship issues, and finance issues, they got solved so easily that I was really taken aback. It was really a pleasant surprise for me that Master Shah and Master Allen, they have such good capability and capacity to bless individuals, and especially in this era when we are going through very turmoil in all because the earth was Master Shah was telling that had mentioned that from 2003 this new light era had started, and in the transient period there will be lot of upheavals in the mother earth, and that shock I think everybody had experienced, but those were overcome so easily with the blessings of Master Shah and Master Allen. And few of the tests, and only about 3-4 months ago I received ultimate divine infinity committee divine healing hands from Master Shah through Master Allen, and that had been very powerful. And just to try that one, because I had innate desire to serve humanity like unconditional service. So whatever and this ultimate divine infinity committee divine healing hand was given by Master Shah to me as a divine gift. For that one, he did not charge me anything, and I am extremely grateful to him for showering me with this such a wonderful blessing, which I am able to utilize for the welfare of humanity and to help others who are suffering. So, some of the important uh, healing which I was able to get extremely good results was one was my daughter-in-law Devashri. Her aunt, she had cancer of left breast, and the tumor was very large. That was about 8 centimeter size, and I had been giving divine healing hand to her, and she did not have to undergo operation for that one, but of course she had to undergo radiation therapy and chemotherapy. But doctors were surprised that it was shrinking with very good speed. And only recently the this cancer relapse. They call it metastasis, and she was having terrible pain, burning pain in her whole body, and she was restless. And she really mentioned to her sister, that is my daughter-in-law's mother, that she doesn't feel like leaving because the pain is unbearable, and she is not able to tolerate it at all. She was not able to sleep also. So I thought this is the right time I could use Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing Hands on her. And it was really surprising that next day I got a message from my daughter-in-law's aunt that she got total relief, and she slept so she had very sound and refreshing sleep, free from all kinds of anxiety, depression, worry, fear, grief, sadness, pain, etc. And she felt wonderful. Then I was giving periodic. I have been giving this divine healing periodically. Only in last 10, 15, a fortnight ago, I was not able to give divine healing to her because I was busy with some other job. Then that time again I got message that she is having terrible burning pain in her body, and the limbs have got swollen. So then I again invoke Master Shah and Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing Hand, and I gave divine healing to her. Again, next day I got a message that she felt terrible relief, and now I have made it a practice that I will give divine Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing Hands to her periodically, so that so long as she is alive, she is able to live comfortably with the blessings from Master Shah and Master Alan. I am really grateful to Master Shah and Master Alan for blessing me with Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing Hand. Now the other excellent result which I could get was our maid servant's husband. He was all of a sudden he had a tumor on his back, and that was uh, paining too much. He was not able to tolerate pain, and he was not able to sleep for quite a few days. Then she just mentioned to me. Then I said, if you want, I can give her this divine healing. Then she agreed, and then after giving this divine healing, and before that, she had her husband had been taking allopathy injections. Each one was costing 2,500 rupees, and after two injections, all their savings got exhausted, and there was really they were not left with any choice. And that at that point of time, he mentioned to me, as I told him, and then I started giving her divine healing. Then in about 10-15 days time, uh, he got complete relief. The tumor has also vanished. He is not experiencing any pain. He has been able to sleep nicely, and it was really a wonderful. Once again, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Master Shah and Master Allen for giving me this divine power to help suffering humanity. Thank you. Next one is about our driver Samir Sheikh. Actually, he was having lot of skin eruption on whole of his body, and particularly on scalp, cheeks, and forehead, etc. And main thing was it was itching terribly, and he was feeling very uncomfortable. And everyone was hesitant to sitting close to him, thinking that they will also contract this skin disease. Then at that point of time, I asked him whether I can give him divine healing. Then again, I invoked Master Shah, Master Allen, and Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing Hands, and I prayed for cure of his skin disease and bless him with very smooth, soft, shining and glowing skin. And today you can see our driver. He really looks. His skin has become really similar to that of a small baby, and he is totally cured of all his skin disease problem. Once again, I thank profusely Divine Tao, the Source Lingmang Calligraphies, Master Shah, Master Alan, and Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee, Divine Healing Hand. Thank you. One is about my own grandson, Chinmay. Earlier, he was having terrible fear for going to school, seeing strangers. So I had been giving divine healing hands to him. After that time, I had not received Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing Hands, and he became as a sequel to giving him this divine healing. He became quite bold, and he never cried while going to school thereafter. And but I think I crossed the Bison point because he became so bold at this one that once his teacher mentioned that he fights with everybody and picks up quarrel with everybody, and he has become real Dada of the school Saint Gregorius. Then his parents Paritosh and Devashri, that is my son and my daughter-in-law, they were very much worried. And after 1 month, parents-teacher meeting was scheduled, so they were scared that they will have to listen to a lot of complaints about him from his class teachers. So they told me that whether we can give him, whether I can give him divine healing. Then I just started giving this ultimate divine healing hand to him, and it and I within 2-3 days we started observing tremendous change in him. But when the day arrived, that the day when they were to meet their class teachers, so they thought that they will have to receive a lot of banging from their class teachers for Kidmay being so mischievous and this one. But they were taken aback when the class teachers told that he is the most ideal and exemplary student of our class. He is extremely good, shows respect and gratitude, obedience, sincerity to all his teachers, and he is extremely good with his classmates, and everybody is happy with him. He is we consider him hero of our class for all his achievements. His intelligence is extremely good, grasping is good. So this again is the result I got from Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing Hand, and I thank Master Shah, Master Alan, and Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing Hand for all that I have received. This is in my house itself. They say charity begins at home, so this was in fact at the beginning for trying this Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee Divine Healing. I am extremely grateful to Master Shah, Master Alan, and Ultimate Divine Infinity Committee